Amity Island is where the man-eating shark from the movie Jaws lives. But don't worry, I wouldn't put us in any harm's way. They came out this morning, they closed the beach, and they caught the shark. So take a look in just a second on your right-hand side. You'll see the shark hanging up by his tail. Yeah, we've got nothing to worry about. Oh, guys, that shark is too small. I don't think they caught the right shark. Do me a favor, remember to stay seated, but keep your eyes in the water just in case we see a bigger shark, because I don't think they caught. Yeah, there's a fin. There's a fin over there. That's not good. We're gonna need a bigger tram. All right, nobody panic. Nobody panic. My buddy George is scuba diving out there by that boat. He'll know what to do. 1 second. Hey, George. One second, everybody. George, can you see that shark, the bigger one? Is he close to where? There you are. All right, any small kids on board? George is going to take a big nap right now. Yeah, he's going to sleep with the fishes. He'll be fine. Now we're going to stop for just a second. Remember to stay seated, very important, because we're going to park right next to a safe area. This flammable gasoline, which is like always safe. Okay, now that's real. You can feel that. That is real. Tiny screams for that plastic shark. I will take it. Now his name is not Jaws. His name is Bruce. Bruce, the mechanical shark from Jaws. And in just a little while, I'm going to let Steven Spielberg talk about how he brought Jaws here. But first, this weather today, I think is pretty gorgeous. It's like not too hot, not too cold. So I'm going to let someone who knows all about weather talk to us. It's the Today Show co-host and weather anchor, Al Roker.
Time for my favorite part of the tour. Weather. When it comes to film and TV, it is truly a special effect. In fact, to demonstrate how weather effects are created, we debuted our first major attraction here on the studio tour way back in 1968.